Welcome back to our channel, Preravya. And this is our first video, right? As I mentioned you in my intro video, like I'll be sharing the daily challenges, small simple steps that can help us grow and transform our life. If you haven't watched the intro yet, please check the link in the description. And this video is only for one who want to make real changes in life, starting with small habits, like small little steps. And this video is only for them. These small little steps or habits are often taught to us since a childhood, right? Like by the parents, teachers, or even ancient wisdoms. We usually take it for granted, but the actual things come here is when we practice it consistently, they make or they bring huge success and help us stay focused on our goals. As you all have seen the thumbnail, today's challenge is diary writing. So guys, this is our first challenge. So now you all, after hearing the word diary writing, you might be thinking like, haven't we heard this word since our childhood? Uh, why should I write a diary? What's the need? Let me clear you. Simple. Diary writing is simply recording what you did during the entire day from morning until your bedtime. That's it. Nothing more complicated, right? I'm not telling you guys what kind of day you should have, or whether you should avoid screens or you should always be productive. I'm not telling things what you should do. Just I'm telling, write it exactly what you did in your entire day. Whatever things you do, just write down, make a note of it. It usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes, right? That is before going to bed. After you finish writing your diary, close your diary, go to sleep. The next day morning, take a few minutes to look back what you have wrote. And why this becomes powerful is when you reread your day, that means when you reread what you have done yesterday, your inner voice or inner soul will tell what was useful and what wasn't. For example, let us take an example of a college student. He goes to college, he writes down all his works, what he have done. So let us suppose he mentioned that he have used the screen, that is, he have used his phone for more time. He wasted too much time on the phone instead of studying. So he will notice. So his inner voice will tell him that he wasted too much time. So here we will be noticing things what we have done. Is it right or wrong? That means, is it useful or not? For example, let us take a business person. He sees whether their action, their daily plan, needs their growth goals or not. So a businessman's goal is to develop his growth, to become a good businessman, or to become a good number one business person, right? So here your diary becomes your mirror or your mini version of yourself. What I say is, you can hide things from your parents. We actually hide things from our parents, friends, or even the closest one, but you cannot hide yourself. You cannot hide from yourself, right? So we all have that fear, that movie fear, where somebody reads your diary and discovers all your secrets. Come on guys, in this real life, nobody has the time for that. The diary is for you alone. That's it. And the key success, or the key is here, means what makes sense of diary writing is, if you notice mistakes, like we have taken example of a college student writing, he have used much screen time, like too much screen time. So naturally, if somebody notices a mistake, we want to avoid repeating them, like we avoid repeating them. So what I want to say you guys is, if you notice something that you have misused your time, or the time got wasted on things which are not useful for you, try to avoid it. Try to not write it in the next time in your diary. That doesn't mean that rather than I will do the thing but I'll write in my diary that I haven't done that. That doesn't make sense at all. Be transparent in your diary writing. So if you want to avoid writing the same thing in the next day, you start doing the things. So today you notice that I have used much screen time. Tomorrow you watch the screen time less, you make it less. Don't watch your screen much like yesterday, so that you automatically will see the difference in the diary writing. See, everyone makes mistake here. That's very normal. But maturity is when we recognize them and uh, working not to repeat them, and start working not to repeat them again. See, నేను ఏం చెప్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా అంటే, మనం రోజు డైరీ రాస్తాము. రాసాక నెక్స్ట్ డే మనం చూసుకుంటాం మనం ఏం చేసాము అని. మనం ఇందాక తీసుకున్నట్టు ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఒక కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్ రోజు మొత్తం ఏం చేశాడు అని రాశాను. రాసాక ఇలా తనంతా ఈరోజు నేను ఫోన్ ఎక్కువ వాడాను అని తను మొత్తం అంత డైరీలో రాసాక నెక్స్ట్ డే మార్నింగ్ మనం అది చదువుతాం. ఐ మీన్ ఎవరైతే పర్సన్ చదివినప్పుడు మనకు అనిపిస్తుంది మనం ఫోన్ ఎక్కువ వాడాము అని. అనిపించినప్పుడు ఇఫ్ మీకు అది ఫోన్ ఎక్కువ వాడడం అన్నది మీకు కరెక్ట్ అనిపించింది అంటే మీకున్న గోల్కి అది హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది అన్నప్పుడు ఇట్స్ గుడ్. రాదర్ డోంట్ స్టాప్ ఇట్. మీకు అది కరెక్ట్ అనిపించింది అనుకో, ఇట్స్ ఓకే, యు రైట్ ఇట్. If you feel it from your own that is not correct, having good screen time is not good for me, or that doesn't help me, stop doing it and you will naturally avoid it writing in your diary. Okay, what I mean to say is that ప్రతి ఒక్క లైఫ్లో let us take a college student కి ఏంటి తన గోల్? కాలేజ్లో మంచి మార్క్స్ రావడం, మంచి ర్యాంక్ రావడం. ఒక బిజినెస్ పర్సన్ యొక్క గోల్ ఏంటి? బిజినెస్లో నెంబర్ 1 ఉండడం, మంచి గ్రోత్ రావడం. ఒక జాబ్ సర్చ్ చేసే జాబ్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ పర్సన్ లైక్ జాబ్ ఆస్పిరెంట్ పర్సన్ యొక్క గోల్ ఏంటి? మంచి జాబ్ కొట్టడం. సో వాళ్ళ తరహాలో వాళ్ళకంటూ వాళ్ళకు కొన్ని గోల్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఆ గోల్స్కి మీరు చేస్తున్న పని కరెక్టా రాంగా అన్నది మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. కాబట్టి ఆ బుక్లో మీరు రాసినప్పుడు మీరు చేసిన పని దానికి హెల్ప్ కాలేదు అంటే నెక్స్ట్ డే మనం బుక్లో రాయొద్దని అర్థం. దాన్ని ఏంటి రాయడం అని కాదు, నెక్స్ట్ డే చేయొద్దు. మనం చేసిందే రాస్తాం కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ డే మనం చేయకపోతే మనం బుక్లో రాయం, అంతే కదా. So that's all makes sense in writing a diary. And one more tip I want to give you is try writing a diary in English. This will not only help you reflect on your day but also improves your writing skills over time. And remember, there's nothing wrong in writing a diary. Nothing wrong. It's one of the most productive habit you can build. So your first challenge is quite simple. Start writing your diary every night. Keep it honest, keep it real with no filters. If you try to hide yourself from you, nothing can change you. See, if you think I should write everything good in my diary so everybody thinks I'm good, this doesn't make sense. You can hide it from your parents, but you cannot hide it from you. So rather than doing or writing false things in your diary, don't write your diary. If you are very honest and if you want to keep it real and start real changing, if you want to transform really, start writing your diary and keep it honest with no filters. Keep it real. And the exciting part of this video is this is a 21-day challenge. If you start today and continue for 21 days, you'll begin to see how powerful changes in your mindset and habits. Okay, please comment below if you're starting this challenge. And also I'd like to say the people who are seeing this video, you may already have a habit of writing diary. If you have a habit of writing diary, please comment below how was the experience in writing the diary. And if you are starting this challenge today, I'd love to know who's on this journey with me in coming days, and love to know who is starting this challenge and taking this challenge is a good thing, or they want to make it a 21-day challenge, successful 21-day challenge. And in the future videos or further videos, I'll be sharing some better techniques of writing diary along with motivational stories that will inspire you keep going. So let's begin one small step at a time. Your diary is waiting.